In this, I will teach you how to count the lines which are given between the two boxes, children. Okay. Now, this your graph paper looks something like this. So, what are you going to do? You mark your points here on these lines. Okay. You mark it on these lines. Suppose I mark 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and here suppose I mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I have a 0 over here. So how do you read the lines which are between the two boxes? Okay, one is 10 here written and it is written 15 on the next part. Okay, now I have to count the number of lines in between the two boxes. How do you do that? If you see, there are smaller lines like these which are made in your graph copy. Okay, very, very thin lines which are made in between, like this. Okay, you can see the lines which are made like this and in your graph paper. So how do you count these lines? I have 10 written over here. So the next thin line which is there will be 11. After that it will be 12. After that it will be 13. After that it will be 14 and 15 we will reach on this line. So if you see in between the boxes there are 5 thin lines which are made. Okay, so those thin lines are counted after the number which is marked over here. Let's suppose I have 15 marked over here. So the next line will be 16. After this it will be 17. After this it will be 18. After this it will be 19. And then 20 I get on this line. Okay, so if you see between the two boxes there are thin lines which are drawn, and each thin line will be representing a number when you count them. Okay, so if I am writing 10 over here, so the next thin line is going to be 11, the next thin line is going to be 12, the next thin line is going to be 13, the next thin line is going to be 14, and then 15, and so on. So in between the two boxes, those smaller lines which are given, that is also counted. Okay, so you have to count those lines whenever you are marking a certain number which is not in accordance with the difference of the numbers. So whenever you are marking, you will always keep in mind that those smaller, those thin lines which are between the two boxes are also to be counted according to whatever information is given in your question. I hope you must have understood that how to count these smaller lines, these which are between the two boxes. Okay?